Hey, what's going on, guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here, and today I'm going to talk to you about a tempo push-up. Tempo push-up is a more advanced variation of push-up that we do occasionally in our boot camp classes. Now, the tempo that you're going to see for this video demonstration is going to be a 2-1-2, and those numbers are going to be separated by colons, and those are going to emphasize the different parts of a movement. Okay, so it's going to be 2 seconds going down, 1 second pause at the bottom, and then 2 seconds coming back up. Now, when you're doing a tempo push-up, first coaching cue that I'm going to use for you is to keep a tight core the entire time that you're performing this exercise. Oftentimes, as we get tired, coming off out of that pause, you'll see clients lead with their shoulders first and start to stress their lower back. We want to keep our core tight, and we want to move off the bottom as one unit with the hips and the shoulders rising up at the same time. Now I'm going to demonstrate this for you. When I do my tempo push-up, it should be nice and smooth coming down and then nice and smooth coming back up. So hands are going to be set a little bit wider than shoulder width. Elbows are going to track back and out. I'm going to come down 2 seconds, pause for 1 second, and then come up for 2 seconds, right like that. Because those repetitions are so much harder than regular push-up repetitions, we're going to do a fewer repetitions per set and not work on as many reps as we normally would with a regular push-up. It's really meant to emphasize good form and time under tension. Now, if you have somebody that's struggling with this exercise, coaching modifications that you can use, you can do the same exercise from a kneeling position as a kneeling push-up. Again, 2 seconds coming down, 1 second pause, and then 2 seconds coming back up. Or you can do it as a push-up with their hands against a barbell that's set in a rack, or as a wall push-up. So those are going to be some modified options for you, okay? Guys, give those coaching cues a try the next time we do 2-1-2 tempo push-ups in one of our boot camp workouts.